Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check in online for Korean Air. It's quick and easy. First, go to Korean Air website on your browser, log in to your account, or access your booking directly. Enter your booking reference or ticket number along with your last name and departure date. Agree to view your reservation details, then click Reservation Inquiry. Once your booking appears, follow the on-screen steps to complete your online check-in and get your boarding pass. And that's it. You're all set for your flight. And that's how to check in online for Korean Air. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.